Retro looks, future power. Nikon ZF kit shoots like a beast and dresses like a rock star. Still rocking that old DSLR that huffs, puffs, and maybe, if you beg, focus is right? Or maybe you're using your phone and wondering why your pics look like sad screenshots from a 2012 YouTube vlog. Listen, if your camera isn't inspiring you to shoot everything, you've got the wrong camera. Welcome to the Nikon ZF with special edition 40mm f/2 prime lens, a full-frame mirrorless time machine that looks vintage but shoots like a beast. It's not just a camera, it's your creative spark, your show-off piece, your look what I made machine. Your phone's about to get real jealous. Why is this better than the rest? Because this isn't some soulless box of pixels. The Nikon ZF mixes 24.5 MP full-frame goodness with pro-level EXPEED 7 processing, the same brain that powers Nikon's Elite Z9 and Z8. With deep learning autofocus, 3D subject tracking, and insane low-light sensitivity, -10 EV, this camera finds focus even in the dark alley of your creativity. Plus, that SE 40mm f/2 prime lens? It's sharp, fast, and practically welded to the sweet spot of gorgeous bokeh and brilliant light capture. You're not just taking pictures anymore, you're making magic. Let's talk power features, shall we? A 3.2-inch Vari-angle touchscreen with real-time focus point control. 4K/60p oversampled video from 6K, crispy as grandma's waffles. 1080/120p slow mo for buttery cinematic drama. And the pixel shift mode that stacks 32 frames into a mind-blowing 96MP image, perfect for print, zoom-ins, or just flexing on your photographer friends. Bonus? The dedicated monochrome mode lets you shoot in dramatic black and white without filters. Add in vlogger-friendly front screen and boom, your creative arsenal just got tactical. Now factor in time and workflow. No more wasting hours color grading or tweaking focus in post. With portrait impression balance and creative picture controls, you get straight out of camera images that look editorial ready. The rich tone profile keeps skin tones real and radiant, while the sensor shift VR eliminates shake before it even happens. No gimbals, no excuses, just sharp, gorgeous content, every single time. Whether you're shooting a wedding, street scene, or TikTok short, this camera saves time and elevates everything. Let's be real. Cameras this pretty usually sit in glass cases or museum shelves. But the Nikon ZF isn't just a pretty face, it's a hardcore performance machine. Rugged, durable, built to hustle. You're getting Nikon's latest tech with timeless design at a price that won't make your bank account scream. With long-lasting support and updates, it's not just a smart buy, it's the buy. So, are you gonna keep fumbling with yesterday's gear, or are you ready to shoot the future, with style? Because this bad boy's ready to blow your creative mind. And yeah, it will make you look cooler.